This is BB Venture. I'm here to train you on how to use your leather to cut fascinator without molding it. All what you need are your leather, your wire, scissors, the bias you are going to use to cover it. You need your gum, that is epoxy gum. You need your sellotape. I'm going to use this small toothbrush because the mouth of the paintbrush is wide. I will use it to do what I want to do, but you can use your paintbrush too. I have my cremolini. I'm going to use cremolini to design, or you can even cut your leather to design it. If you want to use your leather to cut design, first thing is that you are going to cut your design out with your paper or with your carry board. The design I want to make today is I'm making love shape design. Therefore, what I will first do is that I'll take my wire. You can see this is the wire. Then I'll fold them out together. Look at my hand. Put them out together like this. Just take my sellotape and gum the two edge where the wire join together. See, I've joined the two edge together. What you now do is that, look at my hand, you bend it to love shape. You bend the mouth. I will do it again so that you can see it. Bend see the design. Then make sure you bend it so that the shape can come out. Then you can cut your shape, or you can use your wire to cut the leather out. Place it on your leather, then cut round. You can use your pen to demarcate it so that you know the size that you are cutting, so that you not be more than the wire. You can see I've cut my design. I said you can cut it with your design paper, or you can use the wire that you can use it to cut your design too. Now what you now do is that you make a circle at the middle of it and a long tail. A circle at the middle and a long tail. If you cannot make the circle, just cut from the buttock here, cut from here to the middle, from here to the middle. But you can draw a tail from here, then at the center make circle. Then I'm going to cut. What I will do is that I'll cut it from here. Just cut, not too much. See what I cut. Then that is where we are going to join it to form our fascinator. Now I'm going to join it. If I cuff it like this, you can see it. It will give you a shape, fascinator. Then I'll take my brush and my gum. You can see my gum, then take it, put it at the edge where I cut, because that is where I'm going to join it. You can see it. Allow breeze to blow it small. Join it. Okay. Now this is where the wire will come in. I'm going to fix my wire round the, put my wire round. I'm going to fix my wire around the fascinator. You can see I've sewed the wire round. I've sewed the wire, I've sewed it around the leather. Then I will advise you, this one, when I finish sewing the wire, I rub my stiffener inside it and I put it out in the sun to dry. You have to add your stiffener. Add your stiffener inside it, not outside, inside. The reason why you are adding the stiffener or rubbing your stiffener on it is for the fascinator to be strong like this. What I mean is that, look at this one, you rub your stiffener inside. After you have fixed your wire, you rub your stiffener inside and place it in the sun to dry before you design it. Then I've fixed my wire. I'm going to put my ribbon around the wire before we design. Now the next thing is to take your ribbon, take your brush, your brush, then your gum. You cannot use a wool gum because of the thickness of the leather. Just rub it on the ribbon, then put it at the edge of it like this, where you are going to then gum it round. Gum it and make sure you gum it well. Yes. You can see the inside. Make sure you gum it well. Make sure you gum it well with your gum. You can see I've put my bias round, see what it formed. Then when you put your stiffener to be very strong, I'm going to use my crinoline to design it. My crinoline is a yard and quarter. I'm going to use it to make a bow on the leather fascinator. What I fold it into two, then you see it, then I tack it with my needle and thread. I secure the mouth of the crinoline. Use my needle and try to secure it. And fold another one. see, just make a simple bow, then place it on your leather fascinator. You put it there, you place it on it, then you add your feather on it. Add your feather on it. You can see this is how to make your leather love fascinator and designing. Thank you.